Have you ever seen an amazing piece of art and wondered how it was created? It might be a digital painting or other artwork that seems impossible to recreate on your own. What if I told you any art style can be imitated using ChatGPT? I'll show you how to copy this image style like this in seconds. Please use a print screen key or use a screen capture software to copy the original art I created earlier. This is our reference image, and our goal is to imitate or recreate this image by using ChatGPT. Please attach the image and use the prompt I saved in the description below. This is how we generate the image creation prompt by using ChatGPT. We can copy any art styles by using this method. This was the result. Let's create a YouTube thumbnail next. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.